Welcome to the Skilled MBA Operations Management Case Study Series, where we examine real-world business strategies through the lens of scalability, efficiency, and sustainable growth. Luckin Coffee burst onto the Chinese coffee scene with an aggressive expansion strategy, opening thousands of outlets in record time and positioning itself as a technology-driven disruptor in the market. The company's operations model emphasized app-based ordering, fast delivery, and high store density to capture market share quickly. Initially, the results were impressive. Luckin's footprint grew rapidly, challenging industry giants and appealing to tech-savvy consumers. However, the speed of growth soon outpaced operational stability. Supply chain inefficiencies, quality control lapses, and store-level inconsistencies began to surface, highlighting cracks in the company's execution framework. This case explores the operational challenges of hypergrowth, from demand forecasting and inventory management to staffing models and quality assurance. It also highlights the risks of prioritizing scale over sustainability and the consequences of insufficient checks on internal controls. For operations managers, Luckin's journey is a powerful lesson. Growth must be designed, not rushed. Sustainable expansion requires robust systems, data discipline, and a long-term focus on operational excellence. Luckin Coffee's aggressive expansion strategy saw it open over 4,500 locations within 2 years, leveraging a technology-driven model with cashless payments and mobile ordering. Heavy discounts and promotions were used to rapidly build a customer base, challenging Starbucks' dominance in the Chinese coffee market. Luckin Coffee's rapid expansion saw it open over 4,500 stores in just 2 years, leveraging a technology-driven model with cashless payments and mobile ordering. This aggressive strategy, supported by heavy discounts, aimed to quickly build a customer base and challenge Starbucks' market dominance. In January 2020, Muddy Waters exposed fabricated transactions at Luckin Coffee, leading to an internal investigation that confirmed RMB 2.2 billion in fake sales by April. The scandal caused an 80% share price collapse and a $180 million United States dollar SEC settlement. Consequently, NASDAQ initiated delisting and top executives were ousted. Amidst the scandal, customers surprisingly flocked to redeem coupons, causing a surge in store traffic. The core customer base, mainly young urbanites, stayed loyal due to affordable pricing and convenience. Despite corporate turmoil, the quality of coffee and innovative menu items continued to garner positive feedback, underscoring sustained product appreciation. Amid organizational turmoil, stores remained operational, ensuring consistent product quality. New management prioritized transparency by introducing stringent financial controls and reporting. The aggressive expansion strategy was paused to concentrate on fortifying current operations, ensuring stability and resilience in challenging times. The strategic pivot involved transitioning from aggressive growth to a sustainable profit model. Underperforming locations were closed, optimizing store network efficiency. The focus shifted from discounts to a value proposition centered on quality and convenience. New store openings now adhere to strict profitability metrics, ensuring long-term success and stability. Refined marketing strategies now target Generation Z and younger millennials, emphasizing convenience and digital experiences. Direct communication channels via WeChat groups and mini-programs enhance customer relationships, bypassing third-party platforms. Data analytics drive personalized offers and product development, aligning with actual consumption patterns to enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. Our product innovation pipeline features a stage-gate development system, ensuring rigorous market testing and margin requirements. Seasonal rotations keep offerings fresh. Highlights include the viral Coconut Cloud Latte, Cheese Bubble Tea series, flash-chilled coffee technology, and plant-based milk alternatives, all designed to captivate and meet evolving consumer preferences. Store operations have been enhanced through a standardized barista certification program, ensuring consistent product quality. Optimized workflows now reduce order fulfillment time to under 3 minutes. Supplier contracts have been renegotiated, and just-in-time inventory management is in place. Multiple store formats, including flagship, kiosk, and pickup only, are tailored to location demographics. By August 2022, Luckin Coffee achieved consistent profitability, marking a significant financial recovery. Revenue and profit figures in millions of renminbi reflect this upward trajectory, demonstrating resilience and strategic success in overcoming past challenges. China's coffee market is growing at 36% annually, intensifying competition. Established brands face challenges from over 9,000 Starbucks stores, which leverage premium positioning and customer loyalty. Meanwhile, startups like Mana and Seesaw, backed by over $300 million in venture capital funding, are rapidly expanding, offering innovative experiences to capture market share. Luckin's recovery highlights the importance of a robust operating model for crisis resilience. Emphasizing customer-centric recovery, operational discipline, and data-driven transformation, Luckin rebuilt trust and achieved sustainable performance. These lessons underscore the critical role of operational excellence in navigating corporate challenges and ensuring long-term success. Luckin's digital-first model enabled rapid scalability and customer engagement, crucial for its initial success and recovery. Key operational changes included enhanced transparency and data analytics. Other retailers can learn from Luckin's focus on agility and customer-centric strategies. However, potential vulnerabilities include over-reliance on technology and maintaining operational discipline. Balancing growth with sustainability remains essential for long-term success. Thank you for participating in the Skilled MBA case study series. For further insights into operations management, reach out via mobile, email, or visit our website. We look forward to supporting your learning journey. Mobile +91-8 7553-00795. Email support@skilledmba.com. Website https://skilledmba.com.